Living sin 10 years ago on this day of shame, I promised I would never ever be returned. When my baby broke my heart and left me yearning. As we walked to the room, there were faces staring, glaring, tearing through me. Someone said, welcome to your doom. And they smiled with eyes that looked as if they knew me.